In a world of distractions, losing phones, keys, or wallets is far too common and frustrating. That's why Bluetooth trackers are in high demand. These compact devices help you locate lost items quickly using your smartphone. In this guide, we evaluate the best phone. List number Tile by Life 360 Pro Powerful Bluetooth Tracker. The Tile Pro is one of the most reliable and powerful Bluetooth trackers available. With a range of up to 400 feet, it's perfect for finding misplaced items like phones, keys, bags, or backpacks, even in larger homes or offices. It emits a loud ring when activated via the Tile app, helping you locate items quickly. The Tile Pro also works in reverse. Double press the button. List number
Tile by Life 360 Mate Bluetooth Tracker, Keys Finder and Item Locator for keys. The Tile Mate is a compact and affordable alternative to the Pro version, offering excellent tracking for everyday essentials like keys, wallets, remotes, and phones. It has a Bluetooth range of up to 250 feet and provides reliable two-way tracking. Use the app to ring the Tile.
List number 3. Tile by Life 360 Mate Bluetooth Tracker, Keys Finder, and Item Locator for keys. This listing is identical to the previous product, but may differ slightly in packaging or bundle options. Still, the Tile Mate shines with its reliable Bluetooth connectivity, intuitive mobile app, and robust design. It's especially helpful for anyone prone to. List more. Tile by Life 360 Starter Pack Bluetooth Trackers and Item Finders for keys. The Tile Starter Pack is ideal for families or individuals looking to track multiple items. This bundle typically includes a mix of Tile Mates and Tile Slims, offering versatility in tracking keys, wallets, remotes, luggage, and more. All tiles are compatible with the Tile app and support voice assistant integration. This pack ensures you always have a tracker for every essential item. List number 5. Eufy Securities SmartTrack Card, Black, 1 pack. Works with Apple Find My. The Eufy SmartTrack Card is a sleek, credit card-sized tracker designed specifically for wallets and slim items. Unlike the Tile lineup, it integrates seamlessly with Apple's Find My app, meaning iPhone users don't need a separate app to locate the card. It features a loud alarm,